So hi everyone, I am Qayyum, and in this video we will going to learn about how to drop a data file from a table space on Oracle database. So for this we need to first use this query. Okay, so this query will give us some details like file name. These are the columns. Okay, file name auto extensible, then some in GB from DBA data files. Okay, this is the view, DBA view, which we will get the information, which we have from we will get the information. And in the where clause we need to mention the table space name. So for this I'm using this and percentage and table space. So this will ask us about the table space name, and then we will use this query for getting the data files. Okay, again run it sysox. So yeah, so you can see on the screen that we are getting the data files names and paths. Okay, so this is data file number 3 which we will going to use for dropping purpose. So let me first copy the file path. Okay, now this is done. Now we will need to clear the screen. Okay, so it will be good. How to drop a data file, okay, from a table space. So for this we will use alter command, alter table space. Okay, so we are using sysox table space. Now alter table space sysox. Okay, so sysox is the table space in which the data file is created. Okay, so we need to drop that data file, so we will mention drop, then followed by a data file keyword, then here we need to mention the data file path and name. Okay, and then done. So this is how we will going to drop a data file. Okay, alter table space, then table space name, which is sysox, then followed by drop data file keywords, then inside the single quotes we will mention the file path of the data file, then semicolon. Done. So let me enter hit. Okay, so we have successfully deleted drop the data file. Okay, so let me again check it by using this. So you can see that data file number 3 has been dropped from the data file database. Okay, so this is how we can do to drop a data file from a table space. So hope guys this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.